What's going on, Xanderverse? It's your boy Xander Wayne here, the Dreadlock Nerd, and I wanted to do a quick review on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. I did the 20-day full body cleanse. I finished it this past Saturday. Saturday was my last day. I gotta say, it's definitely helped out a great deal. I started this thing, I was about 308 pounds. Currently, I am at 296. So, all in all, throughout the whole 20 days, I was able to lose 12 pounds, which isn't bad compared to how long it would have taken, without the cleanse itself. I didn't take the cleanse strictly for the weight loss. I took the cleanse really just to, clean out my entire system. That's really why I took it. I didn't take it for the weight loss process. Again, it was a series of 30 pills a day, 5 pills, each pill represented a different part of the body that needed to be cleansed. First one was at 7, then the next one was at 10, then 12, then 2, then 5, and then 7 again in the evening. Plus, I finished off the night with a glass of activated charcoal water, right before I went to sleep. So it was a long, arduous regimen, but I believe at the end of the day, it was a great help. Trust me when I say this is no lose weight quick type of scenario. That's not what it is. And there's a lot of those out there. Lose weight, get slim quick type schemes. Drink a tea or take a pill. Things like that. There's a lot of them out there. I know there's a lot of skepticism on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. Trust me when I say this, it definitely does work wonders for you. Weight loss is entirely up to you. It is entirely up to how your body, manages weight, how easily it gains it, and how easily it loses it. So weight loss is entirely up to you. I will say the diet of all raw foods. If you're doing it now, then this will be a cakewalk for you. If you're not used to it, it'll be kind of a shell shock to the body, so to speak. The only reason why it wasn't for me is because I was looking to start changing my diet up in the first place. So it wasn't that hard, I stuck to a lot of greens, a lot of salad, a lot of fruits and stuff, plenty of water. In fact, I don't think I drank any juice at all while on a cleanse. Towards the end of the cleanse, I said like the last 5 days, I did make a few modifications. I did start adding tuna and chicken salad to my regular salads, just to give it a little bit more flavor and stuff. Consumed a lot of, nuts and, fruits and things like that. So the one thing I unfortunately didn't get a lot to do was a lot of just regular exercise because my schedule was so busy. I tried to fit in as much as I could while here at the karate school. But, between working during the day, then coming here, teaching class, having to focus on the students and stuff and everything like that, it can be it's not always easy to get your workout in while you're teaching at the same time. But all in all, I am happy with the results. I feel 100 times better than I did before I got on the cleanse. I can feel myself gaining the weight. All in all, the insides of my body feel a lot better. I was having issues with my knees. I don't really have those issues anymore, save for when I went running and I kind of tweaked it a little bit. But other than that, I feel like I can move a lot better. The one thing that kind of sucked during the whole cleanse was that my allergies started to kick in within the first week I had the cleanse. So dealing with my allergies, and I did have one day. There are side effects to this, so I did have one day where I felt like complete crap. I felt like total crap. I felt like it was almost like the same symptoms I would have as if I had the flu, just without having the actual flu. No stuffy nose, save for my allergies and stuff, but no stuffy nose, no runny nose, no sore throat, nothing like that. Just my body just felt like my body felt like it was breaking down. And I figured what I was hoping for is that it was one of those things where it's like, hopefully my body's breaking down to build itself back up. Kind of like an X-Men Origins Wolverine. They're gonna rebuild me, but first they have to destroy me. So I would think that's what the case was with that one day. But it was just one day. Other than that, for the rest of the cleanse, I was pretty solid. I would say if you are looking for a good Kickstarter to eating healthy, or just completely cleaning your entire body out, this would be something good for you to do. If you can go on Amazon and you can go on the actual website, you'll see the reviews. You have a lot more praises for it, but you will have some contrary comments to that as well. Some of this program doesn't work for everybody. Again, and I chalk that up to how your body works. You know, only you know, or only you can find out how your body manages things. Some people can eat crap like all day, every day, and not gain a pound. Some people can eat, I exaggerate it, but some people will eat a cookie and they gain like 10 pounds or 5 pounds. I'm exaggerating. But again, it's all about how your body works. So, you know, do I wish I had lost more while on the cleanse? Yeah, but am I happy that I lost the 12? Absolutely, because again, this was just nothing but a Kickstarter for me to really get my body to where I want it to be. Tomorrow is the first day of June, so I have a whole month to get myself summer ready, so to speak. And at the end of the day, this is a good product. It's definitely a good product. If and when I do this again, I'll most likely just do the 10-day cleanse. I won't do the full 20-day cleanse. I'll just do the 10-day. I must advise, please go see a doctor before you jump on this thing. I didn't do that, but luckily there were no super adverse side effects. But definitely, anytime you're getting ready to do something like this, you should definitely go see your physician to see if it's okay for you to go through this. Like I said, luckily I just had one day where my body felt like total garbage. But after that, I jumped right back. I bounced right back. But again, it is definitely a good product. I would recommend it to anyone. I would recommend it to any of you, you know. So, if you're not just looking to just lose weight, if you're looking to completely reset your entire body, go ahead and give it a shot. You know, if it's your first time, you know, don't be like me and shoot for the 20-day. Go for the 10-day. If you're gonna do this for the first time. But if you're a pro and you've done it before, then you don't need me to tell you which program to go with. It is completely up to you.